Hey, smart readers, let's learn more tricky words. Why? Why? Why are you sad? Where? Where? Where is the ball? Who? Who? Who can help? Which? Which? Which toy is yours? Any. Any. I don't see any dogs. Many. Many. I see many birds. More. More. We need more time. Before. Before. Wash hands before lunch. Other. Other. I'll try the other blouse. Were. Were. They were happy. Because. Because. I cried because I fell. Want. Want. I want an apple. Goodbye. Don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe.